Traffic update.
Hey, just a quick heads up. I got tipped off that the main road is completely jammed because of the marathon today. You might want to take the back streets.
Oh, really? That's a great tip. Thanks. I had no idea there was a marathon. How did you find out?
My brother's part of the event organizing team. He sent me a message early this morning, so I could avoid the area. It's going to be chaotic all day.
Good to know. I'll reroute and go through Elm Street then. Did he mention anything about when it might clear up?
He expects it'll be busy till late afternoon. Everything should be back to normal by evening.
Perfect. I'll plan my day accordingly. I really appreciate the warning.
Travel inspirations.
Hey, what's the most beautiful place you've ever visited?
Oh, that's a tough question. I've been fortunate to visit many breathtaking places, but if I had to pick one, I would say Santorini in Greece.
Santorini is known for its stunning views. What made it the most beautiful place for you?
The iconic whitewashed buildings perched on cliffs overlooking the deep blue Aegean Sea created a picturesque landscape that was unlike anything I had ever seen before. The sunsets were absolutely mesmerizing.
It sounds absolutely magical. Did you have any memorable experiences in Santorini?
Absolutely. Exploring the charming villages like Oia and Fira, tasting delicious Greek cuisine, and relaxing on the unique black sand beaches were all incredible experiences. The warmth and hospitality of the locals made it even more special.
I can only imagine how wonderful it must have been. Are there any other destinations that come close to Santorini in terms of beauty?
Yes, another place that left me in awe was the Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia. The cascading waterfalls, crystal clear lakes, and lush greenery created a natural paradise that felt like stepping into a fairy tale.
That sounds like a hidden gem. I'll definitely add it to my travel list. Thanks for sharing your experiences.
You're welcome. The world is full of incredible beauty, and exploring these places is a reminder of how diverse and awe-inspiring our planet is. Happy travels!
Time flies.
Have you noticed how quickly this year is passing? It feels like it was just New Year's.
Absolutely, it's flying by. I can't believe we're already in the middle of the year.
Right? I was just looking at my calendar and realizing how many things I still want to accomplish before the year ends.
I've been feeling the same. It seems like there's never enough time to get everything done.
Do you think it's because we're trying to do too much? Or is it just that time moves faster as we get older?
Probably a bit of both. Plus, everything feels immediate with technology and constant updates. It keeps us in a perpetual rush.
That's true. Sometimes I miss the days when things felt a little slower. It was easier to savor the moments.
Definitely. Maybe we need to consciously slow down sometimes. Make time to just enjoy where we are.
That sounds like a plan. Let's try to take it a bit easier and see if it helps us manage our time better.
Night out plans.
Hey, I'm in the mood to go out tonight. Are you up for some fun?
Absolutely. I could use a break from the routine. Any ideas on where we should go?
Well, there's this new restaurant downtown that I've heard great things about. They have a diverse menu and live music on Fridays. What do you think?
That sounds perfect. I've been meaning to try that place. Shall we make a reservation to ensure we get a table?
Good idea. I'll call and make a reservation for 2. What time works for you?
How about 7:30 p.m.? That should give us enough time to relax and enjoy the evening.
Sounds good. I'll book it for 7:30 p.m. tonight. Looking forward to trying out the food and enjoying the live music with you.
Me too. It's going to be a fantastic night out. Let's plan to meet a little earlier so we can catch up before dinner.
Agreed. Let's meet at 7 p.m. outside the restaurant. We can grab a drink nearby and chat before our reservation.
Perfect. I'm excited. See you at 7 p.m. Let's make tonight memorable and have a great time.
Absolutely. It's going to be a night to remember. See you soon.
Locked out.
Oh no, I can't believe this is happening.
What's going on, Lisa? Your voice is shaking.
I got locked out while I was babysitting. The door slammed shut behind me, and I stupidly left the keys inside.
That sounds like a nightmare. How are you going to get back in?
I tried calling the parents, but they're both at work and not answering their phones. What should I do?
Have you tried asking any neighbors for help?
I did, but no one seemed to be home. It's like the whole world is against me right now.
Hang in there, Lisa. There has to be a solution.
I don't know how much longer I can handle this. What if something happens to the kids while I'm stuck out here?
Stay calm, Lisa. We will figure this out together. Maybe there's a spare key hidden somewhere.
Do you think so? I didn't even think to check. Let me look around.
We will find a way back inside, I promise.
Thank you, Mike. I don't know what I would do without you here.
Don't mention it, Lisa. Let's check around the house, under the welcome mat, in the flower pots, anywhere they might hide a spare key.
Right. We need to find it fast. I can't shake this feeling of dread.
Stay focused, Lisa. We will find it. Keep looking.
Wait, I think I found something under this rock. Yes! Oh, here it is, the spare key.
That's a lifesaver. Now, let's get you back inside.
Finally, I can't thank you enough for helping me through this, Mike.
It's all part of being a good friend, Lisa. I'm just glad everything turned out okay.
Hotel room sharing.
Hey, did you know the new office policy now allows us to double up on hotel rooms during conferences? They're trying to cut down on travel expenses.
Really? Doubling up in hotel rooms? That could be a bit awkward, depending on who you end up sharing with.
I had the same thought. They did mention that rooming assignments would be voluntary, so you can choose to share with someone you're comfortable with, or opt out and pay the difference for a single room.
That's a relief. It's a good way to save money, I guess. Plus, it might make the trip more enjoyable if you're rooming with a friend.
Exactly. And it's not just about saving money. They're also framing it as a team-building opportunity. You know, more time to connect with colleagues in a less formal setting.
I can see the benefit in that. Maybe we should pair up for the next conference. We'd probably have a great time.
I'm in. It'll double the fun and halve the cost. Let's let HR know we're pairing up.
Kitchen dispute.
I saw the mess in the kitchen this morning. Was that your doing?
Why do you always assume it's me? I cleaned up last night before I went to bed.
Well, it definitely wasn't me. I remember it being clean last night too. But you were the last one up.
Just because I was the last one awake doesn't mean I made the mess. You know, things can happen after I go to bed too.
But it seems a bit too coincidental, don't you think? Every time there's a mess, you're the last one who was around.
You're not being fair. This isn't the first time you've jumped to conclusions about me. Maybe you should start considering other possibilities instead of blaming me right away.
Maybe you're right. I might be jumping to conclusions too quickly. Let's figure out a way to make sure this doesn't happen again.